Welcome to the SmartDesk Connect Assembly Instruction video. Chapter 1. Unboxing. Congratulations! You are the proud new owner of a SmartDesk. Before you begin assembly, make sure your package is placed in a spacious area to begin unpacking. You may begin by removing the plastic wrapping from your SmartDesk. With great care, cut the black straps that hold the boxes in place. Make sure not to bring a knife too close to the SmartDesk as it may damage the surface. Carefully remove the boxes located under the table. Make sure to place them in a nearby spacious area, as you will need them soon. Using 2 or more people, lift your SmartDesk off the pallet and move it to the desired location. Only carry the desk where the stickers advise, since carrying the SmartDesk incorrectly can cause damage. Now you may remove the foam wrapping from your SmartDesk. You're just about ready to begin assembly. Chapter 2. Getting started. The following tools, components, and hardware will be included in your package. The SmartDesk Connect, partially assembled. Right monitor, center monitor, left monitor, 2 speaker wedges, power cord, a set of 4 caster wheels, spine cap, Torx T20 screwdriver, 8 mounting screws, 8 split lock washers, 8 stainless steel washers. To use your hardware correctly, first insert the screw into the split lock washer. Next, slide the screw and split lock washer into the stainless steel washer. Then, set the screws aside until required. Chapter 3. Caster wheels. You will need a few helping hands in order to install the caster wheels. Using 2 or more people, lift one side of the SmartDesk off the ground. We recommend lifting from the support frame under the tabletop to avoid misaligning the monitor array. Screw 2 casters into the leg assembly to the maximum depth. Repeat the process for the opposing assembly. Tip: some adjustments may be necessary after the SmartDesk is in the desired position to level the desk properly. Chapter 4. Center monitor. Slide the center monitor into the center mounting bracket. We recommend holding the sides of the monitor frame firmly. Chapter 5. Speaker wedges. Plug in the black and red cable to the rear of the speaker wedge. Then, rest the speaker wedge on the monitor arm. Align the top of the speaker wedge to the top of the monitor. Then, fasten the speaker wedge to the monitor using 2 prepared screws through the tabs. Repeat the process for the opposing speaker wedge. Chapter 6. Side monitors. Slide the right monitor into the right mounting bracket. Align the top of the right speaker wedge to the top of the right monitor. Then, fasten the speaker wedge to the monitor using the 2 prepared screws. Slide the left monitor into the left mounting bracket. Align the top of the left speaker wedge to the top of the left monitor. Then, fasten the speaker wedge to the monitor using the 2 prepared screws. Chapter 7. Connect and get to work. Connect the DisplayPort and power cables for each monitor. Attach spine cap to the monitor spine. Connect the power cord and verify the SmartDesk is operating. All monitors should display a message, and the Qi wireless charger should glow blue. Get ready to work. If you aren't satisfied, need assistance, or run into any problems, contact the SmartDesk team at support@smartdesk.com or 1-888-260-4252 from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.